Hey folks, quick video just to show how we can automate the streaming within Excel. And some of the users, they were trying to figure this out, that they are able to get the SAP data onto Excel, but then can they automate it? It's pretty straightforward. I'll just go through the steps. So what we are going to do is to automate. We'll take the sample of one table. So this is SAP table. I'm going to 11. Just picking up one of these standard tables. This one has, as you can see, 19 entries in all. So going to our people at work template in Excel, we are going to give table type is T and table name SCAR. When I refresh this, it goes and connects to SAP and gets these 19 entries into this. Now what I have done here, this is how you can automate the stream, is we are using Power Query, and within that there is a tab for properties where you can say refresh every 60 minutes, 5 minutes, I don't know, 900 minutes, whatever you want to set it. This will go and refresh the data at this frequency, and I find this to be pretty useful when users don't want to go repeatedly and grab the data. They want to automatically refresh. So I've set it to 1 minute right now, and as you can see, it has 19 entries, including that, and the header line is there. Now I'm going to create a added entry. So carrier ID, it says easy, carrier name, Zambia Airlines. I don't know if they have one or not. Hopefully they do. US dollar, and www.zambia Airlines. So I'll go ahead and save this. It says now it has 20 entries, and there you go. Automatically, it went ahead and refreshed this to get my new entry into Excel. Then you can build your pipeline, you can build your automation use cases on top of this data or dashboards, whatever else you might want to build. So this is streaming in automation, so that you don't have to go and refresh the data. It will build the data itself and then get it. I hope you find this useful.